Hello everyone, I'm Bing. Today, I'm going to talk about how to make annotated bibliography with Endnote. Endnote is used to manage bibliographies and references when writing essays and articles. You can easily organize and format references in papers with Endnote. You can also use it as a personalized library to collect papers for your research or study. Today, I will show you how to do it with Endnote. To download Endnote, please go to CDU library and you can find a lot of information about how to use Endnote, and also you can download the newest Endnote software here. On this page, you also can find overview of Endnote and also how to use Endnote in 6 minutes. Of course, then there will be some information you can get from sending emails to the library. You can send emails to Ask Library to find more information about Endnote and how to make citations. Once the Endnote is installed, let's make a new library and let's name it My Lab. Find the folder you want to put it in, and here we just put it in Documents. Click Save, and then your new library is set up. The new library is empty, as you can see, so we can go to CDU library page to find some information, and let's find some information about English pedagogy. Here I want simply information about journals, so the first one seems to be appropriate, and here you can see a citation thing. You click that. Here you see Endnote. Click Endnote, download, and the files is downloaded here, the RIS files. Let's click this. It will go directly to your new library. For this reference, Endnote make it possible for you to attach PDFs. Let's go back to university page, and you can see that this paper is full text available. Let's click here and follow the link, and you will find the PDF files. I have to log in into my portal. So here, and you have access to this book review, and you can download this PDF, download to your hard drive, find a place to put and save, and then go back to your Endnote library. So see here, attached PDFs, and here we have attached file, and then find your downloaded documents. It's here, coding, meshing as World English Pedagogy. So the PDF file is attached here. So you can read this PDF file and in Endnote without going to the library again. Now let's go to the bottom part of Endnote to find on the left side, the reference here, to find something called abstract. Usually this part is empty. Once you finish the reading of this paper, you might want to add something as an annotation to this paper. the abstract, the conclusion also, and the relevance of this paper to your own research or study. Then, how can we do that? So let's check the reference part, the section here, and there's a section called abstract. Everything you put here on this abstract would appear as annotations. I haven't read this paper, so I copied something just to show you how to do this. And then the abstract is filled. We can save it. Okay, save it because I saved it already. Next, we should choose the right reference style. Normally, it's APA 6 here. And we need to choose Annotated, and then click the reference, right-click it. Here we have Copy Formatted. Choose Copy Formatted, and then go to your Word document and simply paste here. You will have a perfect annotated bibliography. The most amazing thing about this is that if you have a lot of references, and it will save you a lot of trouble. And moreover, you can also put keywords in the abstract section, and for your future reference, you can use the search option here and to find information and that you put it in annotations. This would be much more convenient and efficient and for your research. Hope you find this useful.